This video is about trimmer edger from the Amazon. Supposed to be, so that's the box that's coming in, and it comes with the gloves, set of gloves, safety glasses, 2 batteries, manual, that's the charger, and a whole bunch of, I'm guessing that's also trimmers. So it's coming just like this, and it has a pretty nice, whatever your height is, you just push this button and extend to whatever height. So that's like very, also can change the angle, depends if you're trimming or edging, so you just push the button over here and use it. And the box also, not exactly sure what this thing is. That's the handle, that's the blade, that's the guard. A manual, different kind of set of 2 different sets of blades, and I'm not exactly sure. This looks like plastic, so I'm not sure if it's also a blade. We'll see. So the manual actually, it doesn't say much how to, and in the manual I did not find a description how to attach the blades, just how to attach the handle and the batteries, adjusting the handle, but that's, so in my opinion should be a little bit better. So we're gonna try to figure out how to install the blades. They have information how not to install the guard over here, and that's it. So right now the price for this edger is $70 on Amazon. Alright, so it conveniently comes with the wrench. And to loosen up this knot, that's what we're doing. The first thing, so the guard is actually, you have only one way, and then you lock, and it has a screw, so the guard wouldn't get loose. You secure it with a screw. Line up the hole like so. There's a thread over here, so the guard has just a hole. Make sure you line up the hole with the thread, and you just secure it. And the same wrench, actually have on this side it's Allen wrench, on this side it's whatever the socket size that is. So So for some reason, I don't know, it shouldn't stop, but it's keep on spinning. I don't know what's the deal with there. So now I'm guessing you have to put this washer. It has the grooves, so you could the blade, it locks any kind of blade. So put in the washer, put in the blade, then to secure it you put another washer on this side. Just like that, and this is gonna be, this is already, you have yourself a weed whacker. So this one obviously you're gonna be working pretty much 90 degrees. Well, it doesn't give you 90 degrees, it gives you, what is that, 45, 135 degrees. So I cannot jump ahead of myself. So should have put the handle first. And handle, basically you can go, depends on if you're a lefty or right. And the handle also have angle over here, bent to one side or another one, so I'm not exactly sure. I'm guessing it could go either way, hard to say. So I'm gonna start with the bending this way, and we'll see how it goes. So you just slide it. Start it, and then you have to kind of pull it in because the knot has a groove or like a set point for the knot, so it wouldn't spin. I think for me it's actually gonna be better if the handle is bent down, but I don't think there's a right or wrong way to do it. I'm gonna try both ways, maybe. So handle, pretty much you adjust to whatever. Maybe actually when it's bent up, see I did bend down, and I think now that I tried it, bent up it's better, or maybe not, I don't know. It's like I said, in the description it doesn't really show which way is the right way. So let's see the batteries. Battery doesn't have like a indicator. It's 24 volts. You can't really say if it's charged or not. You gotta go to the charger to see it. So attaching the battery just like that. To release, you push the button and pull it out. To start it, you have to push the button on the side and then push the trigger. As you can see, it's super quiet. Pretty much just like any electrical. So I'm gonna see the other blades. Yeah, this is, I don't know how those aluminum, how long they will last. So gotta be careful. When you reattach, and probably would be a smart idea to remove the battery so you wouldn't start it by accident. So this is like this is blade for really like heavy stuff. I don't know, like maybe like a heavyweights. I don't know how thick you can go, but I mean it's up to you. And same deal. Every one of those have a guides. I guess it's going to be the best to see it over here. See, it has the guides, and those guides locks in over here. And just don't forget to use a washer. If you lose it, just find another one. Otherwise, this nut, like on the plastic especially, it could just either break through or whatever. So just like that, and that's how it works. So charger, kind of like an interesting. You just plug in. There's a hole over here. You plug in, and there is like a red light on the charger. When it's gonna be fully charged, it's going to be either green or just going to turn off. I personally at this point have not read the manual, but it's simple as that. Normally if it's charged, it's going to be either green or the light will shut off and you will know that the battery is fully charged. So right now it's charging. And the last thing, you don't want to forget this safety thing over here, which basically has two holes over here, one on this side, one on that side, and you have to, technically you need to have 3 hands to do this. I really don't see how you secure this thing over here, but basically it just goes like that. And anyway, I don't know what's the use of this thing, but that's how it goes, just like that. Because normally when you cut, you want it up. Anyway, this thing is here. Maybe somebody can explain to me what it's for, but it's here. Maybe when you're laying it down, it's safety, so it wouldn't damage the blade or something. So that's what it's for. Because I don't know. So it actually moves. There's no securement for it. So it's either down at this position or up. So that's a review of this Amazon trimmer, edger, and weed whacker from the Amazon. Pretty light, very comfortable, adjustable. I guess the last thing left to do is just to see it, what it does in action. when you're touching metal blade like this one, remember that this thing is spinning counterclockwise, so make sure you put the teeth on the right side. So let's see how it works on something heavier. Like this weed over here. So that's what it looks like. It's obviously not the gas trimmer. That would probably be more powerful. You kind of need to feel how this thing works. But I tell you what, it's light, it's cheap, and it's definitely gonna do the job done. You're just gonna have to play with this a little bit, maybe get to feel a little bit this thing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you bought something like this, that's how it goes together. Good luck. Thank you for watching.